everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be focusing on cleaning all of our appliances. The holiday season is officially over and we are normal, getting back to reality, and most of our appliances really worked really hard over the Christmas period, so I'm just going to basically give them all a deep clean. I'm just going to break down this video into two videos because I'll be here all day. This is my sterilizer for my baby's bottles, a toaster. I've got the kettle. The kettle definitely was used quite a lot during the Christmas period. Air fryer. So yeah, we're going to give this a clean as well. So the one that takes the longest is going to be the kettle. Because I'm going to be using citric acid to descale it. Lime scale builds up inside your kettle, so we need to descale it and make sure it continues to work in an efficient way and doesn't use too much electricity. So I'll be using the Sillet Bang citric acid. It was not so bad, to be honest, but I'm just going to, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to descale it with you if you have a kettle that needs major descaling. So when it comes to using the citric acid on how to descale your kettle, the instructions are actually written. It tells you exactly how to do it. Kettle halfway. The lid. And then we'll leave it for about a minute. Citric acid and a spoon. I'm just going to put some gloves on. Open this up, and it says about 2 tablespoons, but I'm sure you can repeat the process as many times as you need to ensure that all the lime scales come off. My kettle is not that bad, so I only used the 2 tablespoons, but you can repeat the whole process as many times as you need to ensure that your kettle is descaled. Leave it. It says leave for up to 10 minutes. So whilst that's happening, I've noticed that the lid builds up on the side, so I'm just going to focus on cleaning that. Our 10 minutes is up, so we are now going to look at our kettle. I'm going to pour out the contents. And then we're going to add more water and boil it twice. Whilst the kettle is still warm, I think this is the perfect time to basically clean. It is looking a lot better than it did at the start. Now on to number 2. Number 2, which is the air fryer, basically. So I'm just going to get a dishwashing tablet. Not that bad personally, so have sprayed that. I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes. Is our toaster. So toaster's not so bad, but it just needs to clean it nice and shiny. And to come out, making it nice and shiny using the Swift cream cleaner. It's a little bit. So that is it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was highly motivating and you managed to tackle the tasks around your home. If you want more videos, please look forward to more content coming on Tuesday. That's it from me. You have a lovely day. Bye.